Welcome to the Brilliant Ideas About Internet and Money, Frequently Asked Questions Series, Part 4. What is a search engine? Brought to you by the letter M in MDS Resource. What is a search engine? Why do search engines matter to you and your local business? It's all about marketing local business online. A search engine is a tool used to find interesting information in a database. In its simplest form, the electronic card catalog at your public library is a search engine. The term is often used to specifically describe systems like Google, Yahoo, and Bing that enable users to search online media, the World Wide Web, and Usenet use groups. What is a web search engine? A web search engine is designed to search for information on the World Wide Web. Web search engines work by storing information from billions of web pages, which they gather from the web page code. Web page contents are gathered by a web crawler, or spider, an automated web browser that reads every line of code in every web page and follows every link on each page. Search engines index web pages. Contents of each page are analyzed to determine how to index it for later retrieval. The index allows information to be found quickly. Three essential features of search engines are crawling, indexing, and searching. Search engines evolved from Internet directories. Archie was the first tool searching the Internet. Gopher combined document hierarchies with collections of services. W3 Catalog was the first primitive search engine. World Wide Web Wanderer was the first web robot. Search engines evolved into crawlers. Website administrators notified Aliweb of new index files. JumpStation used a web robot to find and index web pages. Web crawler allowed users to search for any word in any web page. Lycos was one of the first search engines with a for-profit business model. Search engines evolved from PhD research. Yahoo founders started their guide as a way to track their personal interests on the Internet. Google began as a Stanford research project by Larry Page and Sergey Brin. Google's first funding was secured in August 1998 in the form of a contribution given to a corporation which did not yet exist. Search engines continued to evolve. Microsoft began a transition to its own search technology powered by its own web crawler. Microsoft's rebranded search engine Bing was launched on June 1, 2009. On July 29th, Yahoo and Microsoft finalized a deal in which Yahoo Search would be powered by Microsoft Bing technology. How then do search engines make money? In 1996, Netscape sought a single featured search engine for their innovative web browser. 5 search engines paid $5 million each to be in a rotation on the Netscape search engine page: Yahoo, Magellan, Lycos, InfoSeek, and Excite. Today, most search engines are commercial ventures. Some search engines allow advertisers to pay money to have their listings ranked higher in search results. Other search engines seek to categorize and prioritize web pages by measures of intrinsic value and make money by running search-related ads alongside regular search engine results. Such search engines make money every time someone clicks on one of these ads. How do search engines differ from directories? Historically, Yahoo was among the most popular ways for people to find web pages of interest. Web directories are databases of human-compiled results, also known as human-powered search engines. Unlike web directories maintained by human editors, search engines operate on algorithms, or are a mixture of algorithmic and human input. Search engines automatically create web page listings by using spiders that crawl web pages, index their information, and follow each page's links to other web pages. Spiders return to previously crawled sites on a regular basis to update web page changes. everything that these spiders gather is entered into the search engine database. How do I use a search engine? Major search engines include a simple dialog box into which you type a word or phrase, and a Search Submit button to begin the search. A keyword is this word or phrase of words in the simplest sense. When a user submits a query, the search engine compares it to its index and returns a listing of web page information, usually with a short summary containing page title and part of its content. A search engine results page is the listing of web pages returned by a search engine in response to a keyword query. The SERP typically lists web pages with titles, a link to the page, and a short description showing where the keywords have matched content within the page. Major search engines visually differentiate specific content types such as images, news, blogs, and sponsored links. Search engine result pages of the major search engines include different types of listings: contextual, algorithmic, organic, sponsored, videos, images, maps. Each search engine result page also includes navigation to subsequent and/or previous SERPs, possible search suggestions, suggested similar searches, back to begin a new search. Initially, website administrators manually submitted their website information to be included in web directories, often for a fee. As part of their business model, these search engines featured these sponsoring websites according to the amount of fees collected. By 2000, the Google search engine was gaining popularity among searchers because it achieved more relevant results with an innovation called PageRank. Google developed an algorithm to rank web pages based on the number, trust, and authority of other web pages that link back to them. Google's premise is that good and desirable web pages are linked back to more than less desirable web pages. How each search engine decides which pages match best and in what order varies widely. The methods also change over time as internet usage changes and new techniques evolve. A search algorithm is an algorithm for finding an item. Each search engine uses a proprietary algorithm to index and return only meaningful results. The index is built from the information within the data. While millions of web pages may include a particular keyword, some pages are more relevant, popular, and authoritative. Search engine usefulness depends on the relevance of the results it returns. Major search engine business models are for-profit. Each SERP has a clearly defined topic and targeted theme. Money comes from paid advertisements strategically placed on each SERP. Each ad includes a web link to the advertiser's web page. Advertisers pay for these ads to attract people searching for particular keywords. Search engine customers are your customers. The better a search engine responds to each search, the more money that search engine is likely to make. These web searchers are becoming more sophisticated. Every day, more and more people search the internet to find and buy more and more. It stands to reason that search engines will continuously hone their search algorithms to continuously improve profitability. In summary, search engines evolved from internet directory listings. Search engines make money with paid advertising. Users enter keywords into search engines, and search engine result pages return value to customers. Search engines sequence results by evolving algorithms, and the search engine customers are your customers. What relationships do you want with your market? Over 1 billion local searches are performed every month on the internet. If your customers don't find you, from whom will they buy? To learn more about internet, money, and your local business, go to our website at mdsresource.net and look for our further conversations and brilliant ideas about internet and money.